Hey, took her money, they don't want no combo. And I need me to mansion, no condo. And I stay with a dime like Rondo. Bitch, you know I'm a boy like Lonzo. I'ma smoke me the cookie and Fonto. And I need it right now like pronto. Some of my niggas came out the pot though. And the foreign too low for the pothole. Oh, you talking about bands?
Same old shit, just a different motherfucking day. Hey man, how many of y'all are still holding up during this quarantine, man? You know what I'm saying? June's right around the corner. You know what I'm saying? This weekend, we're gonna be training with the NBA trainer. So I'm actually excited for that. You know what I'm saying? Hey man, a lot of great things around the corner, you guys. You know what I'm saying? Second evening announcement. I want to say a quick apology to having a half-ass live stream. The last time I streamed was on Sunday. I won't do that ever again. I'm gonna be 1000 with you guys. I did have a really bad headache. You know what I'm saying, that day. But I still no excuses to just like end off a live stream like that. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, we back at it like we never left. I'm gonna make up for it today. We're gonna have a nice chill long live stream. You know what I'm saying? We get some Fortnite later on. First time been on Fortnite in a minute. You know what I'm saying? Just to have some chill vibes, you know? But that won't happen again. We won't do no half-ass streams like that. And I also will try and work on saying bye instead of just ending off the stream. Now, I can't guarantee you that because sometimes certain games piss me off. And, you know, I say bye, I just don't have the cameras on and shit. But, you know, I don't really mean it. But I'm going to try my best to start saying bye a little bit more, alright? Out of respect.
I'm actually playing against FlightReacts. Oh my.
I'll probably too throw some GTA in there too. Turn this up now. Get a game chat.
Oh my! I know. I won. This is like the first time I've. Oh my! That's crazy, bro. Thank you.
What's up, bro?
We'll change our jumper. Bro, oh my.
Everybody's adding me into group. I don't know this is I'm kind of scared.
No going. Oh my.
Yes, sir. Nah, before we're gonna have a nice chill, long live stream today. Just here for some good vibes.
Okay, I can't make it go white.
See.
Bro, Dylan,
What up, Ethan Champ?
I know. I know.
What up?
Yo, all my friends in the party are big fans of you, by the way.
That's what's up, bro. Appreciate the support.
I'm getting so much friends first.
Yo, he's trying to bait me.
No, bro. I can't believe I'm actually playing next flight though. This is my biggest feeling, bro. I can't even. I always
Nice
watch
screen,
these Oh my. Oh my, bro. This is crazy.
Yo, like, I'm Bradley Field's biggest fan, by the way, bro. Oh shit.
I don't even care. When flight green, it's Irish green. Oh my. Yeah. I thought that I still can't believe that though. Bro.
Yeah, double team and shit. Good shot, Pat. That's in his bag early on. I like it. MariosMindset high key, 4 assists.
Yo, this has been amazing, bro.
I will take that.
Nice.
I know. Oh, what? I'm selling too. No, this guy is crazy. He's cracked, bro. I can't even. I'm just happy. I'm just crazy that I'm actually playing against Flight.
Good shit. Good shit, Pat.
I like them with the his YouTube channel.
There we go. Hey.
Bro, this guy's crazy.
Yo, purple guy here, have the ball.
Yeah, that was nice. I'm not even mad. He got dropped off, but I'm not mad. Yo. Yes, I got more than 300. Dylan. I'm literally.
Okay, Pat. Okay.
Yo.
Alright, GG Flight.
GG's, yo. Have a good night.
I love you too, bro. This is. Thank you.
Have a good night, y'all boys.
Alright, bye.
Yo,
Oh
everybody's.
my. I can't believe that, bro. Oh my. Dylan, bro. Stop with the friend request. Oh my. I need cookies.
Big dream, big dream, big dream. Alright, yeah, listen to me. Shout out my nigga Rude, bruh. Shout out that nigga Gap too, bruh. Bruh, let me go flight, bruh. Little trap, bruh.
What's up, Flight? What up?
Hey, little trap.
Yeah, what's up?
Let me go flight, bruh.
Wait, you wanna go? Nah.
Nah, I got defensive badges, bruh. Let me go to. I got Hall of Fame defensive badges. Switch it. Yeah. Flight. Thank you. Don't do that.
Good cap.
That was green.
Charge, man.
Board up. Good board.
Oh,
Green action. I got fly, watch out. Low trap, got white shirt, get white shirt, low trap.
nice. Hey.
Bruh, low trap, bruh, what is you doing, bruh? You being real bloodish right now, bruh, come on.
I said you were just there. I couldn't.
Fuck.
Hold
I
on.
couldn't move off the screen.
Oh my gosh.
With the white shirt, low trap is being low play, nigga.
Yes, sir.
Right here, little trap, watch out, nigga. How?
Don't you want to go up white shirt?
Because I have defensive, bruh, watch out, bruh. Little trap doing good, look at him.
Nice.
What?
Bruh, what is it? Bruh, someone get out, bruh.
Wow, bro.
Oh, Lord. I got him. Get fly, I got him. That's all, my boy. Good D. My little trap. Board that.
Nice. Oh my gosh.
Oh, wide action.
Damn, yo.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, the block. My type of block. Oh yeah, my type of dunk right here. Doing this in June.
Man. That's me, bruh.
I got contact now, so I can get it.
What the
Look at that
fuck?
board.
Bro, these guys get every rebound.
Bruh.
It's like a delay.
man, stop, man. Man, you got a wide open lane, bro. Yeah, I can look at him. He hungry. This nigga will trap, man.
Hey.
Ooh.
It's that shit.
School threat, school stabber, school sniper alert. Just mute him.
School shooter, man. If you have all the gold guns. Bro, who blowing on that light, bro? What you doing? Have all the gold guns, man. I will slap the shit out of you. Just like your mother, when you keep blowing on the light, when you keep blowing it. I slam my balls in one of the scope, like you hear me? Nigga, shut up, bro. You're not funny. It's connecting your school threat, man. If you're a threat to my school, I'm happy school closed, because you're a threat.
Bitch, we got choppers, we kicking works like soccer, I beat the pussy up like I'm a boxer. We eating noodles, no lobster, no kill. We proper, you know the gang gon' prosper, You niggas acting Oscars, how you put rats on rosters, In my town, I'm jiggy.